Most people traveling to Azerbaijan assume their regular SIM card will just work, but the surprising truth is that eSIMs can save you money, hassle, and roaming fees if you pick the right provider. I tested several eSIMs to see which offered the best coverage, speed, and affordability. Here's what I found. First, Airlo's Azerbaijan eSIM was quick to activate and affordable. It offered flexible data plans ranging from 1 GB to 5 GB for short-term travelers. The speed was decent in Baku and other major cities, making it perfect for browsing maps, social media, and messaging apps. Next, Holafly had unlimited data options for Azerbaijan, which sounded tempting, but I noticed the speed throttled in peak hours. If you're a heavy streamer or need constant high-speed internet, this could be an issue. Truephone was reliable with global coverage and a smooth activation process, but the price per gigabyte was higher than Airlo, so it's better for business travelers who need guaranteed connectivity over cost efficiency. The surprising truth is that most travelers pick eSIMs based on marketing or app interface without checking coverage or data speed in smaller towns. I tested all providers outside Baku, and Airlo consistently had the best balance of cost and connectivity. Setup is simple. Scan the QR code, install the profile, and select the local data plan. You can even switch between your home SIM and eSIM without removing your physical SIM. Most people get this wrong by trying to buy local SIMs on arrival, which can be time-consuming and confusing if you don't speak Azerbaijani. In conclusion, if you want fast setup, reliable coverage, and good value, Airlo's Azerbaijan eSIM is my top pick. Holafly is good for unlimited data needs, and Truephone works best for professionals needing a global backup. For anyone traveling soon, this guide can save you money and avoid headaches with mobile internet. Subscribe for more travel tech tips and honest eSIM reviews before you leave your next destination.